In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export or print notes from Notebooklm. Notebooklm doesn't yet have a direct print button for your notes, so the most reliable way to get a nicely formatted, printable version is to use Google Docs as a workaround. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to turn your Notebooklm content into a regular document you can print, share, or store anywhere you like. Start inside your Notebooklm project in the chat panel where you see the AI responses. Any response you want to include in your final document needs to be saved as a note first. Under the response you like, look for the button that says Save to Note. Go ahead and click that. This tells Notebooklm that this particular answer is important and should be stored in your notes area, not just left in the chat history where it's easier to lose track of. Take a moment to scroll through your conversation and save each response you might want to export. It's usually easier to oversave and delete later than to discover you're missing something after you've already exported. You can also keep things organized by saving more structured outputs, like study guides or reports, which are especially handy if you plan to print for reference or for a meeting. Once you've saved your content, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen to the Studio panel. Here's where Notebooklm collects your saved notes, study guides, and reports. Find the item you want to export. You'll see 3 dots next to its title. Click those 3 dots to open the Options menu and then choose Export to Google Docs. Notebooklm will automatically create a new Google Doc with your content and open it in a separate browser tab. Give it a moment to load, especially if your note is long. When it appears, this is now a regular Google Doc, so you can edit the text, adjust headings, fix spacing, or add any extra information you need before printing. When you're ready to print, go to the top menu in Google Docs and click File, then Print. This opens your browser's print dialog. From here, choose your printer, confirm the pages and layout, and adjust settings like color, margins, or double-sided printing if needed. When everything looks good in the preview, click Print. That's all there is to it. By saving your notes in Notebooklm, exporting them to Google Docs, and printing from there, you get a clean, flexible copy of your work that's easy to share and keep.